Alright, time to show off what we've done. Server started. We gotta build a board. Alright. Board's created and server is ready. So I can update these and see that's my board. And that's what I know of Connor's board. His server is currently up and running. There's all the requests from those.
Am I good to hit enter?
Not yet. So I'm gonna start up my my client and port 8080. Alright, go ahead. And then I have to put in his IP address. So over IP4. And then he's also on the same port.
You should go first.
Yeah. So I go first. Basically rolled some random numbers right here, and that shows up. Whichever one's higher, that player goes first, basically. He is impatiently waiting for his turn. So if I pick Rotifier on, let's say 9, and then column 0, that's a miss. So then if I refresh what I know of his board, that's a miss.
Let's fire on 0, 0.
Alright. So it's going to show off that he missed. There's those waiting for opponents are the same pings that he was sending earlier. And then there's the update. And lastly, this 0, 0, x equals 0, y equals 0, that's the him attempting to aim at me. And then this up here was me aiming at him, and I told my server that I missed, which is why it ends with a capital O. I'm going to go back to my client and fire at 0, 9. It's a hit. Shows off here. Go ahead and fire again. Yeah, if I update my board, you can see the 2 places he's aimed at so far. And then, now that he's hit me again, if I update it once more. Oh, that was 4, 4?
Yep.
Okay. So I'm going to fire at the same spot I did before. Let's go 0, 9. It says I've already targeted that space. Try again. If I do, say 1, 9. Another hit. Just I sunk. minor miss here, but did sink one of his ships. If only I knew. Okay. Go ahead. Then, what are the other things we have to show off? Oh, I should try to find where the sync happened. Oh, because it's an X. That's why. So that was the second hit. And then it's supposed to check for a sync, but didn't. Alright. What else do you want to show off?
I want to say that's everything, because we showed a sync. I think that's pretty much everything.
Yeah. Update on here. Update on here. Alright. Let's try the out of bounds. Let's fire at, let's say 5A. That doesn't work. Try 5, 5. Cool. It's a miss. I think that's about everything then.